Okay, from the You Ain't Going to Believe This department, this is Friday, May 10th, 2024, and there was an extremely powerful level 5, I think, geomagnetic storm that is happening right now, and they predicted that there's a chance, just a little bitty tiny chance, that the Aurora may be visible as far south as Alabama, where I am. I really didn't think there would be much of a chance, so I wasn't even looking at it. So I'm up here in the field making this flashlight video. I look up in the sky, and the sky is this rosy pink color, which I recognize. I've seen the Aurora before in Iceland. So I took a photograph, a long exposure, and the photos were incredible. The sky was beautiful. So I stopped. Of course, I stopped doing the flashlight video and started taking pictures. And I've been taking pictures now for probably 2 hours up here in this field. Okay, I've slowed the shutter speed down to 1/8 of a second. So hopefully this will show up. I'm still at ISO 25,600. But look at that. Wow, just look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Amazing. Look at the Big Dipper.